Hello, today I'm going to be talking about my strawberry and peach lip kit. I started out with making the strawberry and peach lip oil, which is part of the kit, which mixes coconut, almond, peach oil, and strawberry fields oil all together. Next, I get to start working on the strawberry and peach lipstick and tint balm, which is combined with beeswax, grapeseed oil, shea butter, peach oil, strawberry fields oil, vitamin E oil, and pink lipstick. And lastly, I create the strawberry and peach lip scrub, which contains sugar, coconut oil, honey, peach oil, and strawberry fields oil. Here's the final product. All the products are put within this little pouch that is easy to throw in your bag, school bag, or wherever you go to keep all your lip products in one place and easy access. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed the video.